Hi everyone, this is the last video for the week. So this is for Thursday. We won't have one on Friday because Friday is really just going to be a work day for anything that you weren't able to finish during the week. And also if you owed me anything from marking period 3, that'll be the day to get that in. So for Thursday, at this point, you've mastered 0 and 90-degree problems, and now it's time to turn to angled problems. So to start the day off, I do want you to complete a do now for the 0 and 90-degree problems. I do kind of want to see where you are with those, see if there's anything that we need to address, we need to tweak. So you will do that first. And then just like for the big picture videos, I will have those links in Classroom, and this link is going to be for angled problems. And in order to follow along, you will want to click on the 4.1 angled examples with Miss B. So you'll take a look at those, and then you will have the video to accompany them where I will walk through those examples. Then, just like with the 0 and 90-degree problems, you will have angled problems to work through. You will notice that this document pretty much follows the same format as a 0 and 90, but in this case now we're dealing with angle, so we're dealing with that middle ground. So not just purely horizontal, not purely up and down, but somewhere right in the middle. So again, it looks the same as before. Same as before, you do want to write a little bit larger and a little bit more neat so that when you take the picture, I am able to follow what you've done. And then just like before, we are going to continue with our community discussion. So you still have your same community discussion board from block 1 and block 4. And the people have now changed who will be leading the discussion. So if you didn't have a problem before, you do now. And just to reiterate what we said from previously, if you've been assigned a problem, so we see Dustin has been assigned 1A and 1B, him along with everyone else, you should finish the problem, take a picture of the problem, send me the image so I can say whether you were right or wrong, and then once you have the answer correct, you will take a video on Screencastify that will have your given versus known chart. You'll say why you chose the numbers that you did in the given versus known chart, and then give us a step-by-step breakdown of how you did the problem. This will round out all of our kind of pencil paper problems. So you'll have the 0, the 90, and the angled all in that one single document that as you complete problems, you can go there to check your answer. So no work is due today. However, if you are a leader for the angled problems, I do want your problem uploaded to the community discussion by 3 p.m. On Friday. So that tomorrow would be Friday, that April 3rd. So do try to do that a little bit sooner rather than later if you're someone who's been assigned a problem. But everyone has the individual interactive problem due on Friday. So don't forget that. That will be an assignment in Classroom that you will upload the document to. And remember that all of the information for that individual problem was located in the 0 and 90-degree problem document that was posted on Tuesday. Now, like I said, on Friday, if you didn't get anything, if you have things that you need to finish, today's the day to work on that. And then you will turn in all of your problems on Monday. So that's what we have listed here. And the individual interactive problem is due today. So really, as far as what you have to turn in this week, that's really the big thing that you have to turn in. And if you had a problem that you were leading, that's the other thing. Monday, I will check in and look at all of your problems, and that should be it. So to kind of finish off the week, like I said in the introduction video, if you would like to do some yoga for relaxation, maybe just recenter yourself, maybe you just want to stretch, I will be going with this video from Ashley Sky to kind of round out this week. All right. I will be back virtually with you on Monday, but as always, feel free to email me or we can set up a Google Meet. See you soon.